Thank you. All right, copy that equation now. We're going to graph this parabola. It's a parabola. Sweatwell, you can just throw my computer out of the way. Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Parabola. It's not dangerous.
It is dangerous. No, parabola. That's if you eat raw carrots.
You serious, Clark?
Serious. Thank you, Zach. You could have parabola.
At least have good eyes.
Dorian, you must have a lot of pencils. May I see your collection?
Can I have a pencil?
Dang, dude.
Those are all pencils.
Colored pencils. We got glue. We have a calculator.
He's loaded.
Very impressive.
My only
Little
pencil.
pair of scissors.
So
Anything he's ready for.
Scraps of paper.
Parabola.
Parabola. All right, here we go.
Black
Guys, don't make this too hard. Okay, I don't think it's too hard, but I've been doing it a little longer. But guys, don't make it hard. All right, the first thing we need to do, guys, you need to write down this. You need to write down A, B, and C. Every time. Every time. Vince, what's A? Real close. I got -2. What'd you get for B, Logan? And C, Zach?
10.
Please have that down somewhere. Now, axis of symmetry, also might be called line of symmetry. Remember what the formula is? Remember we put the negative up there. Negative B over 2A. What's opposite of our B? It's opposite. Okay, so it's really this. Okay, 2 times A is this. So what's the opposite of -8? Okay, so we got this. 8 over. What's 2 times -2? Samara? Okay, what's 8 divided by -4? Mary? 8 divided by -4. It's -2. Guys, for the love of this green earth, write it x equals. X equals -2. Okay. Go to your graph if you have graph paper or made a graph. And -2. Okay, draw a dotted line, vertical line. Write down -2. What does that line do? Splits the what? The thing. What's the proper name? I guess I got something parabola. 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 It has 2 B's in the middle. Second one's really silent, but I like to say it. Parabola. All right. Guys, listen, what is nice about the axis of symmetry? Remember, it breaks our parabola in half. You can mirror points. In other words, if I graph a point right here that's 1, 2 to the that's not good. If I graph a point right here, 2, don't write this. 2 to the left, I can do what? I can go 2 to the right. Okay? It helps in our graphing of it. All right? And it gives it symmetry when we draw. It kind of helps us draw it. I'm not very good at drawing parabolas on this, especially. All right, we'll get through it. Okay, now, why else is the axis symmetry important? Who can tell me? Someone besides Zach.
That's where the vertex is.
Darn you. Darn you. It's the x value of the vertex. Huge. Huge. Yes?
C.
Now, how do I get the y point of the vertex? Brady?
A negative 2 into the axis.
Oh, I like how he said x's. All my exes live in Texas. That's Mr. Westfall's homecoming theme.
I believe it.
Didn't you have that one sand dance or something?
Oh, Sandstorm.
Was that one of them?
Oh yeah.
No, for your theme or something?
Not the theme, but
Oh, okay.
like they would always stop the song because it would always be like a mosh pit.
Guys, plug that into your electronic devices. Remember, what do we do around the negative? Parentheses. Hey guys, you don't have to put a multiplication sign next to parentheses. It'll automatically do that. So I would just go -2, parentheses, -2, parentheses, to the second power. And then -8, parentheses, -2, parentheses, plus 10. Whew, that was a lot. You got an answer? She's even got a dot on her paper. Are you? Got it? Did you get one, Dorian? What'd you get?
Negative.
He says 18. Thank you. It is right. See, look at the graph. See how the graph's drawn? In time, it's going to go up. Guys, this is right. That is correct. That is correct. So, at -2, 18. And guys, remember, our vertex is going to be on our axis of symmetry. Now, the y-intercept. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's the C value. Aaliyah. What's my C value?
10.
So what's he going to say for the y-intercept? Put a dot on the y-intercept. Now, how can this help me? How can the y-intercept help me on the other side? What can I do with that? Can I mirror it over, Logan? Okay, everybody see that, watch this. I went 2 to the right of the axis symmetry. So go what? Left 2. Now it's starting to form up. Our parabola.
Parallelogram.
Parabola? Pablo?
Hablo español.
C.
How do you say parabola in español?
Pablo.
El parabola.
Pablo.
El parabola. My parabola. All right. Watch. Listen. Okay, guys, we're going to plug 2 times into the original equation. We plugged our axis symmetry X in to get the vertex, right? We have to do it one more time to get one more point and then reflect it across. So what I would do on this situation, if 1 is available, and it is, and it's close to my axis symmetry, I would pick 1. Because isn't it easy to do? So let's pick one. So my other point, my first one's going to be 1 something. So let's put 1 in here. And you guys should be writing exactly what I'm writing. Woo! We're plugging 1 in for x. Whoa, will you watch it? Let's see. What'd we get, Luca?
0.
Luca got 0 when he plugged 1 in. Is he right? Alexis, do you agree? Alexis, you got to work on your emotions. You get too excited. That is correct. Now, do we have to plug in another value for x to get my other point? No. Let me show you why. Let's go to 1, 0. Does that look right? Yeah, it looks right. How can I get my second point? How can I get my second point, Logan?
You can
Mirror it. How far is that over? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And what's my second point? Negative 5, 0. How many times did I plug in for x? That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. And we got 5 points. What's my domain? Domain is how much it goes left and right, correct? Ethan, what is it? All real numbers, all the time, always. Whoa. Yes.
I was gonna do the range.
Oh, you think you know it?
Yes.
If you know it. Brianna, we can kick Brianna out of class today.
Who's Brianna?
I meant Ariana.
Who's Ariana?
Makana. So Makana can go out in the hall.
So if I get it wrong.
Just to stay.
Oh. What if I get it right?
She's out of here.
Alright.
What is my range? Oh, wait a minute. Guys, draw. Hey, make sure to the best of your ability, round the parabola, because we're going to do, and that's a terrible job, like I told you. Make sure there's arrows on it. Try to round it, because we're going to do absolute values, I think, later on, and those are V-shaped. All right, go.
Y is less than or equal to 10.
She stays.
Son of a mother hen.
Oh wait.
Brianna, go.
No wait. Fix.
No.
Y is less than or equal to 18.
You got it.
I was close.
See, no. Yeah, guys, look. All we want on the range, it hits right here at 18, and it goes which way? That way forever. Okay, so it should have been y is less than or equal to 18. That is the range. Is the vertex a maximum or a minimum, Corbin? Is the vertex a maximum or a minimum? What's your thoughts? You say maximum.
Yeah.
How many say it's a maximum? How many don't know? How many don't care? Thank you for your honesty. Maximum means it's the highest point of the parabola. Is my vertex the highest point? Yeah. Oh, by the way, I was going to tell you and I forgot. Before you graph the parabolas, what I would do right next to the parabola, besides writing A, B, and C, how do I know what direction this parabola is going to open, up or down? How do I know this?
The sign.
The what?
The sign in front.
Leading coefficient. If it's negative, it's going to go what?
Down.
Guys, just do a little baby parabola there. Just to remind yourself, it's better open down, or I messed something up. What do you guys think? Feel good? Vincent, you and Bailey, you want to pass the worksheet out to everybody? There's 4 of them. Mr. Westfall, what did you do with that thing?
Wait, was that the jumping the baby one?
Wow, Vince.
Vince, what are you doing there?
Actually,
You should be used to.
Okay, guys, listen, there's 4 of them to do. Get started. You're probably finished, most of them before you go anyway. No, you won't. Get started anyway so you can ask questions. I'll leave this one up here.
They go like this.
Okay, guys, get started. Oh, that's a good way to get a homework, Bailey. I didn't get a worksheet.
Vincenzo, come at you. Take 2.
Oh no. You gotta spin it like a piece of pizza.
That's a nice ball.
you gotta spin it like a piece of pizza.
You sound like Little Caesar right there.
Pizza. Matt, I saw a TikTok of a bunch of little baby goats getting let out, and they had a big
That's
rat,
why you have a pizza shop.
probably about 15 bottles of milk for 'em, and they just unleashed, and they just all, it was funny.
You gotta save or something, you gotta save or.
No,
I
hey, will you zip it, sister?
Are you practicing your last name?
spelled my last name wrong.
Oh my,
S-H-I.
How do you spell your own last name wrong?
Yeah, Corbin can even do that.
He's the king of doing that.
we spelled it with a C last week. I didn't understand it.
Nice.
Yes, I saw it.
That's very impressive. Well, they made the same noise.
Same noise.
Yeah, Mark.
That's a great one.
Three. 5 more minutes, guys.
I forgot to do that.
Hey, you guys have fun tomorrow on your trip.
What?
Oh, you guys aren't agree.
yeah.
Now what?
They better make up for the year.
Did you guys? You didn't get to go to DC, did you?
They did.
Oh, you did go?
They didn't go to Philly.
It was perfect timing.
Oh, you didn't go to Philly.
Yeah.
No.
Is Philly 7?
Really?
It's 8. 7's Washington, 8 is Philly, 9 is.
Oh, 8's Philly.
9th is New York.
I guess the 8th graders also
I
get
think
to
that
do
should
it.
switch.
They go to Gettysburg.
I think 7th grade should be Philly and 8th
Why?
grade should be. Because you're more grown up. Like, I didn't have a phone when I was in 7th grade, and I wish I did.
We should be able to do it.
Seven.
No, but they're disposing.
That's too bad you guys